Learn how to split a workflow into different paths based on participant data. The conditional logic action directs contacts through different workflow paths based on their information, results, or engagement. Start by giving the branch a clear internal name. Here, I'll use Testing 1. Under When, choose the data the workflow should evaluate. Next, open the operator menu to show the available options. Then I would choose equals for this condition. And then define the value for the condition. In this example, I'm using the name of an outcome from the selected quiz. You can choose from the drop-down or type it manually. When entering it manually, make sure the wording matches the outcome name exactly, including capitalization and spacing. You can select Add Condition to include additional rules and connect them using AND or. Since I only need one condition here, I'll remove the additional one. You can create multiple branches within one conditional logic action, so you are not limited to two paths. Contacts that do not match any condition follow the else path. After saving the condition, the workflow is split into two paths. Here, I'll add an invite to funnel action and update the subject for the invitation. And within the message, you can select the funnel form, the drop-down below in the message. These contacts will then be guided to another funnel as their next step. Anyone who does not match the condition will continue through the else path. Here, I'll add a send email action to provide a different follow-up. I'll also use add all responses to include the answers they submitted in the funnel, making the message more relevant to their submission.